over here. Oh, hello guys, welcome to my channel Creative Artist Uditi, and I hope you all are doing well. So I'm on a trip to Nainital and Corbet, India, and I have 4 to 5 more families with me, and we are enjoying it. So it's raining and also some snow, so we are enjoying a lot. So first we went to jungle safari at Corbet, and staying over there for 1 day, and then we moved to Nainital over here. So we are having a lot of fun. Now let me show you the room. My little brother Tanush, say hi.
Hi.
How are you, Tanush?
I'm fine.
Okay, so he's sitting on a couch, and this is our bed. And actually it is very cold over here, so I don't think we require an air conditioner over here. So that's, oh my gosh, just see this. So many over here. Huh? Yeah. Would like to have it. So it really helps in cold weather.